If you're still buying a physical SIM card at the airport or paying your carrier $10 a day for international roaming, you're wasting money and time you didn't need to. Hey everyone, welcome back to Review Any Option, the channel where I break down the best tools, apps, and services out there so you don't have to waste time or money figuring it out yourself. If you're new here, consider hitting that subscribe button and tapping the bell icon so you don't miss any future reviews. And if you find this helpful, don't forget to like and share the video. It really helps this channel grow. Alright, let's get into it. I'm about to show you how to get mobile data in over 200 countries, activated before your plane even lands. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the app that's completely changed how I stay connected when I travel. Let's get right into it. Here's the thing. Anyone who's traveled internationally knows the drill. You land, your phone loses signal, and now you're either paying insane roaming fees, hunting for airport Wi-Fi, or standing in line at a local SIM kiosk trying to explain what plan you need in a language you don't speak. And half the time, you have to physically swap out your SIM card, which means digging out that tiny pin tool and hoping you don't lose your original SIM in the process. That's why I use Airalo. It's the world's first eSIM marketplace, and it basically lets you buy mobile data for pretty much any country, or even multiple countries, directly from an app, install it digitally, and be online in minutes. No physical SIM, no kiosk, no waiting. But here's where it gets interesting, because how you pick a plan actually matters a lot depending on your trip. Let me break it down. Airalo organizes its data plans a few different ways, so you can pick what actually fits your trip. You've got local eSIMs, which cover a single country. Great if you're going somewhere specific like Japan or Italy and just need data for that trip. These are usually priced based on how much data and how many days you need, and they can be genuinely cheaper than a day of roaming with your home carrier. Then there are regional eSIMs, which cover a whole region, like all of Europe or Southeast Asia, under one plan. Perfect if you're doing a multi-country trip and don't want to buy a separate SIM for every border you cross. And if you're someone who travels constantly across different continents, there's also a global plan that covers a wide range of countries under one eSIM. Plans typically come in different data sizes,
Airalo.
Small ones for light use like maps and messaging, bigger ones if you're going to be streaming or working remotely. And because it's all digital, you can literally buy and activate a new plan mid-trip if you run low, without needing to find a store. If you found this video helpful, grab your Airalo eSIM using the link in the description to get a discount while supporting the channel. Don't forget to like, leave a comment, and subscribe with the bell icon for more reviews. Thanks for watching.